These potato pancakes are golden, crunchy, and only need a few simple ingredients. Start by peeling and grating 2 large potatoes. Squeeze out as much liquid as possible. This is the key to crispiness. Prepare 1 small grated onion. Then add an egg, 2 tablespoons of flour, salt, and black pepper. Mix until combined. Heat a pan over medium heat and add oil. Spoon the mixture into the pan and flatten it slightly. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side until deeply golden and crispy. Take them out, rest them on a paper towel, and listen to that crunch. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Simple, cheap, and insanely good. Follow for cool videos and recipes.